Present indefinite tense. Its formation is subject plus first form of verb plus ses plus object. Now we see use of s or es. We use s or es with the verb if the subject is he, she, it, or any other singular name. Otherwise, we use only the first form of verb. Now look at some examples. She goes to school. Verb is she, so we use es with the verb go. She goes to school. I drink water. Mother cooks food. Mother is singular noun, so we use cooks. Children play in the ground. He reads the book. Sarah smell or smells the flower. Answer in the comment box.